To anyone ever watching this, let me not introduce myself and just stay as online stranger, sis, or aunt maybe. I think it was last year around this time when I made up my mind that I will be somewhere far by 2025, exactly around this time. And can you imagine that it actually happened? I was very confused and lost for the longest time to where I would go, but very determined that I'm leaving. I had to. I had to get out of my comfort zone. I had to grow as a person. Okay, so in few days I have my classes starting and let's hope for the best. At this point, I wasn't sure if I was too late or too early because I actually did wait a lot. Being 30, I thought I would have all figured it out, but I'm here, scared, anxious, intimidated by all things around me, new or old, like I was in my 20s. I wish by now I would get a hold of life, but nope. And it's okay if we have all figured it out, then what's the fun, right? When I was in my 20s, I was always overwhelmed by the thought of foreign countries, even though I did want to travel, see different culture and places. Maybe it was my lack of confidence and how I perceive myself to be an underachiever or physical appearance. But with time and taking the first step, it became much easier. After all, it's just a place with systems similar to any other nation, and I'm grateful that I have eventually become a bit confident. As of now, I'm just going to enjoy my time here, be grateful, be happy, and think about what to cook next.